It's time for some southeastern action now as we welcome you all to Shortlands. And kicking us off as 465-929 and 465-016 arrived with the 1551 southeastern service from Orpington to London Victoria. We see the departure of 700-026 working the 1550 Commuter Thameslink service from London Blackfriars through to Sevenoaks. Next out to depart is 465-029 and 465-911, working the 1554 southeastern service from London Victoria through to Orpington. Next passing through the station is 375-309 and 375-808, working 1 Sierra 40 for Southeastern from London Victoria to both Dover Priory and Ramsgate. Arriving next into the station is 700-058. Working the 1555 Commuter Thameslink service from Sevenoaks through to Welwyn Garden City. And going in the opposite direction under the head code 5K48 from Bellingham Sidings through to Orpington is 700-053. Next to pass through the station is 465-924, working 2K80 for Southeastern from Gillingham through to London Victoria. And going in the opposite direction for Southeastern is 465-916, working 2K34 from London Victoria through to Gillingham. Arriving next into the station is 465-010 and 465-002, working the 1606 Southeastern service from Orpington through to London Victoria. Next to pass through the station is 375708, working 1P44 for Southeastern from Dover Priory through to London Victoria. Next train out to depart is 465040 and 465179 with the 1609 Southeastern service from London Victoria through to Orpington. Whilst disappearing by his side is 375915, working 2 November 48 for Southeastern from London Victoria through to Ashford International. Next to arrive at the station will be 700052, working the 1616 Gavir Thameslink service from Orpington through to Kentish Town. Next to fly through the station will be 377509, working 2 Alpha 46 for Southeastern from Ashford International through to London Victoria. Arriving next into the station is 465155 and 465015 with the 1621 Southeastern service from Orpington through to London Victoria.
Platform 1 for the 1621 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Herne Hill. For your second junction, head south, West Gully, Herne Hill, Brixton and London Victoria. This train has 8 coaches. There are 2
And departing in the opposite direction is 700037, working the 1620 Gavir Thameslink service from London Blackfriars through to Sevenoaks. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 465019 and 465158, working the 1624 Southeastern service from London Victoria through to Orpington.
For the 1625 Thameslink service to Welwyn Garden City. Please note, some of the lifts at Denmark Hill and Farringdon are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.